That should start it. Let's see. Is it on?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, here we are. My photos at the Korongo Gallery. Merchants Row in Randolph. Give you a little tour here. Firefly taking off. This is Photourus Fairchild Eye. These are sunset shots after Hurricane Irene blew through Vermont. Painted bunting. Burrowing owls. Dragon hunter. It pursues, catches, captures, kills, and eats other dragonflies, including dragonflies its own size. Here was a nice sunrise in the Grand Canyon. Here's the dirty one. Switch to that. The dirty damselflies. Monarch emerging.
Sarah
Tucker, another dirty one.
Sarah Tucker emerging too.
Sarah Tucker emerging. Yeah, that's what Patrick said. There's Grady Greg landing. This is one of my favorites here, oven bird. A bird that's somewhat stealthy and usually doesn't show itself as nicely as that individual did. Leaping gray jay. Thank you, Jack. Nice pan. And loon, common loon and chick. And there's more. So.
Reject.
And then here are Ruth's apricot almond squares. This is the real reason to come to the gallery today. Thanks to everyone.
We don't need it.
Cut.
Well, you can cut it.
Just put it in the closet.
Don't start talking about
Oh,
it.
here. What's that?
Just cut it in.
The guest register. Oh yeah, this is Spike, we call him. That's Spike. That's the oak slug moth. That's the wall of diversity, we call it. We put it on YouTube.